This is the amount of money that I've got with this last week, guys, and you can do the same thing if you just follow the steps from this video. So hit that subscribe button and let's go immediately and see how it's done. First of all, guys, this works all around the world. So if you live in Asia, Africa, wherever, you can get a lot of money for yourself. In fact, write me down in the comment section from which country are you coming from so I can make some specific videos based on your region so you can make money from your home. But this website today is working all around the world. It is called Digistore24 and you are gonna be an affiliate here. As you can see on Trustpilot, guys, Digistore24 has 4.7 out of 5. That's a pretty good rating. If you see the comments down there, you can see that people are really satisfied with the way that this website works. They get a lot of money and you can get a lot of money. So if you follow this strategy and replicate the things that I'm gonna show you in this video, you're gonna get yourself a lot of money, guys. So Digistore24 is a really popular marketplace, okay? A lot of people are coming here daily and they have a large affiliate network, okay? You can profit off of this because Digistore24 has a lot of people on it, a lot of people can get you help for it, and a lot of people can give you certain advice. But you don't need a lot of that advice, guys, okay? You can just go and you can just get these commissions really easily. It is a huge affiliate marketplace. You have a lot of products on here, and let me just tell you how this works. So first of all, you will have to register on this website, okay? So click on register now so that you can start and profit from this website. And trust me, guys, the profits on this website are really awesome. I get a lot of money on a monthly basis and you can do it as well, okay? So you can profit from this ad as well, guys, because it is pretty easy. So when you come on this create account page, be sure to click on this one, affiliate, so then you can enjoy these commissions up to 85%. So commissions, guys, up to 85%, that's a lot of money. That is a lot of money, guys. 85% of a certain price. So if a product is worth $100, you get $85 for you. That is nice, right? And they have these weekly payouts always on time, so you don't have to wait for your money. Never, guys, never you will wait on this website. You will have this affiliate marketplace with access to high converting offers, a lot of good products in here, and you don't have to ship anything, guys. You don't have to ship anything. You don't care about that. You just get the money. So make yourself an account and let's go. Now, when you come inside, this is your dashboard, okay? So firstly, go to marketplace, and here you will find a lot of products. And of course, on this left hand side here, you will find a lot of different categories, okay? So you will find something about job and employment, home and garden, hobby and handcraft, games and fun, food and drinks, fitness and health, fashion and family and kids, education, email marketing, whatever you want to get on this website, you can get it, guys. This is a really good website. There is a lot of money in here, guys, so just stick with me. Of course, hit that subscribe button so you can get more. So guys, if you are interested into any of these categories on the left hand side here, you can involve yourself pretty easily, okay? So, for example, you go on food and drinks. There are a lot of products in here. You can see that, for example, for this one, commission is $1 because it is a really cheap product and it will get a lot of those sales. You can see $7 for this one. So now I don't want to show you all of these. I don't know, maybe you can go to, I don't know, home and garden, and you can see that, for example, this new self-sufficient backyard promo, this like do-it-yourself guide that they have in here can get you $25 per each one of those sales, guys. $25 is a lot. When you consider that you, for example, sell 4 of these during 1 week, you get $100, guys. And as you scale your business, you can sell these like 4 each day. That's $100 for you each day, guys. And that's crazy amount of money, guys, okay? So all that you have to do in here. So for example, you want to promote this one. Let's say for the sake of this video, you can just click on here and then your link, your affiliate link is copied into your clipboard, okay? Now, I have a strategy for you which will sell you that, okay? So we need to find the traffic for that link. So we need to find the customers which are interested to buy that product. So we need to go and find the clues. So first of all, this is home and garden, okay? So certain people who are going to be customers, they want to grow their garden. they want to go and make their garden better. So we can now find the people who are into that. And the best place for it, guys, is of course to go on some gardening forums, okay? Because people are gathering here for a reason, right? They want to better their garden, okay? So they want to plant some tomatoes, some onions, whatever, or they just want to grow some flowers, okay? So for example, you will go on 10 best gardening forums in 2022, for example. And if you scroll down, you will have all of them listed, okay? So you will see how many people they have, how ranked they are on Alexa Rank. And just for example, just take a look at this. Registered members on this davesgarden.com, they have 700,000 members, guys. Now, just imagine, guys, just imagine the next thing. If only like 1/5 of these people, so if only like 150,000 sees your link and clicks on it, and if only half of those people buy that, that's 75,000 people, guys, buying that product because they want to learn something about how to make their garden better, okay? That's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory structure, right? So let's say you get $25 for each one of those sales, and that happens 75,000 times, guys. Now just take a look how much money that is. It is $1.8 million for you, but of course, this won't happen overnight, guys. You will need some time to get these $1.8 million, and that may be your lifetime. But if you don't want to wait that long, you can just go and, for example, use this one as well and use the members on this website as well, even though they haven't disclosed the registered members count on this website. But for example, you can see that there are a lot more of these. 300,000 on this one, helpfulgardener.com unknown, garden.org unknown. There is this one, for example, 33,000 guys. There's a lot of members. There's a lot of people online who want to get their garden better, okay? And you guys, you can profit out of that because you're going to get these products, okay? So you can take this one. This is a digital product. You don't have to ship that. Digistore24 doesn't have to ship that. And of course, you can choose, for example, this one, but this is like a special niche in some woodworking. I suggest that you take, like, for example, this, which is a broader spectrum, or maybe this Garden Freedom Micro Course. Just take a look at this, $37 on this one, guys. So I suggest that you just involve yourself in it and just go and do it, okay? There's a lot of money in here. Just search through these forums, or maybe go and maybe this one. Actually, take a look at this top 45 gardening forums. There is a lot of traffic, guys. You just have to engage with the people on these websites, and you just have to suggest them to it, okay? You just have to show them that there is a way to make their garden better, and they're gonna buy that product, guys. That's it. That's all that I have for you now. So go and just do it, guys. I will catch you later.